When it comes to game development, the game engine is the foundation. It's the tool that brings all the elements of a game together. In 2024, while there are many engines available, two of the engines that truly stand out as major competitors are Unreal Engine and Unity Engine. Hello everyone, I'm Rajiv, and today we'll be diving into a comparison of these two engines. By the end, I'm hoping you will have all the key information you need to make an informed decision when choosing the right engine for your first game. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about some key points you might want to know. Unreal Engine was first launched in 1998 by Epic Games, and over the course of the last 26 years, Epic has continuously improved and expanded the engine, making it more accessible for developers of all skill levels. Unreal currently holds 16% of the market, and this is mainly due to their core focus on graphics, which has allowed it to expand into the film industry and photography in addition to game development. On the other hand, Unity was introduced in 2005 by Unity Technologies. Since its debut, it has gained significant popularity among indie developers and mobile game creators over the past 19 years. It currently holds 48% of the market. This is mainly due to its focus on ease of use and a greater community support. Both Epic Games and Unity are committed to supporting game developers by offering a wide range of programs. These initiatives provide financial backing, development support, and educational resources, helping creators bring their projects to life. Whether through Epic Mega Grants, Unity for Humanity grants, or specialized growth and publishing programs, both of these companies are actively investing in the success of their developer communities. These programs are designed to assist teams of all sizes, from indie developers to large studios, across multiple industries including gaming, film, education, and beyond. Over the course of their existence, these engines have helped deliver some amazing games we have in the market today. Games like Fortnite, Gears of War, Final Fantasy VII Remake, Mortal Kombat 11, Ark Survival Evolved, and Borderlands 3 were made using the Unreal Engine, while games developed with the Unity include Hollow Knight, Monument Valley, Cuphead, Ori and the Blind Forest, Pokemon Go, and City Skyline. Unreal Engine has been long considered the go-to engine for high-end graphics. Nanite, introduced in Unreal Engine 5, allows for real-time rendering of extremely high poly models without performance issues, making it possible to include near photorealistic environments and characters in-game. The Lumen system brings real-time global illumination, meaning lighting updates dynamically as the objects move or the environment changes, perfect for open-world games where light fidelity is crucial. Unreal Engine also excels in virtual production and filmmaking due to its incredible rendering capabilities. While Unity has historically been behind in terms of visual fidelity compared to Unreal, Unity 6 has made significant improvements, particularly with the HDRP, high definition render pipeline. This allows developers to create high-quality graphics, including support for advanced post-processing effects like ambient occlusion, bloom, and volumetric lighting. However, Unity's primary strength lies in its flexibility to handle stylized or mid-range visual quality games more efficiently, making it a popular choice for the indie developers. For developers working on cross-platform projects, including mobile and web games, Unity offers robust support for more optimized and less resource-intensive graphics pipeline like the URP, Universal Render Pipeline. Unreal has 4 tiers when it comes to pricing. They have the free tier, royalty, enterprise, and the seat-based tiers. The free tier is created for individuals, small teams, and students. You can create and develop games, apps, or simulations without having to pay any upfront costs. There is no royalty payments for non-commercial projects and for projects that does not meet certain revenue threshold, this being less than $1 million. So this is ideal tier for individuals and beginners to jump into Unreal Engine and get started. The next tier is the royalty. The royalty tier is mainly used by game developers releasing commercial products. It is free to use during development. Now, the royalty is only paid after your product earns more than $1 million in lifetime gross revenue. Now, the royalty is also applied to the amounts beyond the $1 million, because less than $1 million, you're still within that free tier category. Next is the enterprise tier. Now this tier is targeted mainly for large companies and enterprises working on large-scale projects. They have custom licensing agreements that typically waive the royalty fee in exchange for a negotiated upfront fee. Now the pricing usually depends on the size of the company and the scope of the project. The last tier we have is the seat-based tier. Now this tier is specifically made for industries outside of gaming such as architecture, film, and automotive industries. This tier is primarily for industries where paying royalties is not feasible. The pricing may vary based on the scope of the project and the number of seats required. However, the current cost for this seat is $2,511 per seat per year. Unity offers 8 different plans for engine licensing. They are Unity Personal, Plus, Pro, Enterprise, Students, Education, Industry, Ads, and Monetization. Now in this video, we'll focus on the 4 most relevant tiers for beginners and intermediate game developers. Now, unlike Unreal Engine's licensing option, Unity's tiers are designed to provide specific services that grow in features and support as you move up the ladder. So bear with me as I walk you through this information, as there's a lot of information to cover. Let's start with the basics. The Unity Personal Plan is designed for individuals, hobbyists, and small team developers with limited revenue. The engine is free to use as long as your revenue or funding is less than $100,000 in the last 12 months. This tier provides no access to advanced support, some analytics, and monetization features. The Unity Plus plan is designed for small studios, independent developers, and individuals looking for more advanced features, but not ready for the Unity Pro yet. This plan costs $399 per year, or about $40 a month. For you to be eligible for this plan, your gross revenue or funding must be less than $200,000 in the last 12 months. This tier also provides 25 gig of cloud storage and a priority customer support. Next up is Unity Pro, also known as the Professional tier. Now this tier is created for large studios, commercial and professional game developers with a higher revenue. Although there's no revenue cap in this tier, if your company earnings exceed $200,000 in the last 12 months, you must use the Pro tier. This is a very expensive plan coming at $2,040 per seat per year, or about $185 a month. This price tag will provide you with advanced cloud diagnostics, real-time analytics, 40 gigs of cloud storage, premium technical support with faster response times, Unity Success Advisors, and onboarding guidance. This tier also gives you access to more monetization tools and advanced features for AR/VR development and game deployment. The final plan that we'll be discussing is the Unity Student Plan. This plan is completely free for verified students enrolled in accredited educational institutions, and it also requires a verification through the GitHub Student Developer Pack. The best part about this plan is that you gain access to all the features of the Unity Pro plan at no additional cost. This includes advanced tools, cloud-based collaboration, and 25 gigs of storage. You also get free access to the Unity Learning Platform, Unity Microgames, and other beginner resources. Plus, the students also receive a 20% discount on all assets in the Unity Asset Store. I personally believe this plan is an incredible opportunity for students who want to dive into game development. Here is an overview of all the plans that Unity has to offer and some quick details regarding them. Now, when it comes to 2D vs 3D game development, Unreal is almost focused on 3D game development, and its toolset reflects this. The engine excels at creating large, complex 3D worlds with detailed models, lighting, and physics. While you can technically create 2D games in Unreal, it is not optimized for it. The 2D systems are far less developed than Unity's and will require more effort and potentially overcomplicating a simple project. For developers who want to focus on a AAA 3D experience, Unreal is unbeatable. But if you're trying to make a 2D platformer or a mobile game, Unreal's advanced toolset might feel unnecessary and bloated for what you need. Unity 6 is one of the best engines for 2D game development. and Unity 6 has further improved on this. The dedicated 2D tools such as the 2D tile editor, sprite management, and 2D physics engine make it extremely efficient for 2D platformers, puzzle games, and mobile apps. Unity excels in 2D animation thanks to its robust tools for sprite animation, character rigging, and skeletal animation. If your project involves 2D, Unity will almost always be the better choice due to its built-in tools, optimized workflows, and community support. Unreal is packed with tools and features, but this comes at the cost of a steeper learning curve. Beginners may find the vast array of options and professional-grade tools overwhelming. However, the Blueprint's visual scripting system allows you to create complex interactions, gameplay mechanics, and systems without writing a single line of code, which can be a game changer for those who are not comfortable with programming. Learning Blueprints may still require some time and effort, especially as your project scales and becomes more complex. For absolute beginners who aren't aiming for high-end visuals, Unreal might feel overwhelming initially. But for those who are looking to deep dive into the AAA development, it's a powerful tool to master. Unity has always had a reputation for being beginner-friendly, and Unity 6 continues this trend. The interface is simple and streamlined, allowing newcomers to start small projects very quickly. The C# scripting in Unity is much more accessible than Unreal's reliance on C++ for custom scripting, and the abundance of documentation and community support and tutorials makes it easy for beginners to pick up and run with it. Unity offers a more modular approach, meaning you can start with simple projects and build up as you learn. There's less out of the box, so developers have to create many things from scratch, which some might find easier to manage at the start. The final topic we'll be covering in this video is the community and accessibility to training and documentation. Both Unreal and Unity has an active and engaged community. Epic Games provide extensive official resources, including Unreal Academy, which offers professional-level tutorials on a wide range of subjects. Unreal also has a vast library of documentation, although it can be technical and harder for beginners to digest compared to Unity. For those willing to learn through trial and error, Unreal offers powerful resources for developers who want to work at a AAA level. The community is often welcoming towards beginners and also professionals and experienced developers. Unreal offers a vast collection of tutorials created by community members which can greatly help you ease into the development process. These resources range from beginner-friendly guides to advanced techniques, ensuring that developers at any level can find the support they need. Unity has long been favored by hobbies, indie developers, and beginners due to its more accessible learning curve. Unity Learn provides beginner-friendly tutorials, and the Unity Forum is a thriving place for community support. There are thousands of beginner tutorials available on YouTube, making it one of the easiest engines to learn. Now, Unity is a great place to start if you are new to game development, with a more welcoming community and simpler tutorials to follow. Unity Learn offers a comprehensive learning platform with a wide variety of courses, tutorials, and learning paths. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced developer, there's something for everyone. The platform is designed to guide you step by step, helping you build real projects while learning key development skills along the way. One of the greatest features of Unity Learn is its interactive lessons. You get to apply what you have learned in real time through challenges and quizzes, making the learning process not only engaging, but also practical. This hands-on approach helps you retain new skills and immediately put them into action into your own projects. In conclusion, Unreal Engine is ideal for those aiming for AAA quality games with high-end visuals, detailed worlds, and a focus on 3D or cinematic experiences with minimal requirements to learn coding. On the other hand, Unity 6 offers versatility, easier access for beginners, and the flexibility to create anything from small 2D games to mid-range 3D experiences across a wide array of platforms. Both engines are powerful, but the right choice depends on the type of the game, the team's skill level, and the platform you're targeting. Use this simple checklist to help you decide which engine you want to begin your journey with. Folks, thank you for coming this far with me in this video, and I wish you all the best with your game development. If any of the topics discussed had helped you, consider liking this video. If you have any further questions, feel free to post it in the comment section below, and I'll sure to answer it. Thank you again, and have yourself a great day.